Good morning, guys. Today I will be doing a speed cleaning video. This past week has been very hectic for me, and yeah, unfortunately I haven't been able to keep up with the cleaning. So this video will show you my speed cleaning 2018. So if you guys would like to see me speed clean my home for 2018, just keep on watching. Well, guys, as you guys can see in the background, I don't know if it's focusing, but I think it's blurring everything out. I have a complete mess, like I told you on my intro, and no, I am not very proud of that, but you know, life happens. Sometimes you just have a mess, and sometimes you have a clean home for weeks and weeks. So this past week has not been very great for me because I have been very busy. So yeah, and I will be speed cleaning my whole entire home. So let's get started. So I got hungry, guys, and I got chocolate milk and these Velveeta cranberry orange cookies. While I eat, I'm going to tell you guys what I use to clean my bathroom. So as you guys know, I still use paper towels because I feel that paper towels clean better than a rag. since you get to just wipe once and throw it away. I have now switched to these type of products. They are Boulder Clean, and they are natural toilet bowl cleaner. This is more natural than Clorox, so I'm sticking to these products now. So now I'm going to get to clean the toilet, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay guys, so this is the end result. This is how it looks. Sorry for the lighting, it's just getting a little darker. I still haven't decided what to put on these two sides. So yeah, I'm only doing my room for now. I'll save the rest of the house for another video. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.